Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to succeed on YouTube. In today's video, we'll be discussing the key to YouTube success and how you can incorporate it into your channel. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's get started. The importance of keyword research. When it comes to YouTube success, one of the most crucial factors is keyword research. Conducting thorough keyword research helps you understand what your target audience is searching for, allowing you to create content that addresses their needs and interests. Identifying high-performing keywords. So, what are some high-performing keywords you can use to boost your YouTube SEO score? Here are some of the best recommendations. 1. YouTube channel growth. 2. Video optimization techniques. 3. Audience engagement strategies. 4. YouTube algorithm secrets. 5. Content planning tips. 6. Thumbnail design hacks. 7. Video editing software comparisons. 8. Monetization strategies. 9. Building a loyal subscriber base. 10. Collaboration opportunities. Optimizing your video title and description. Now that you have identified the keywords relevant to your content, it's time to optimize your video title and description. Here are some best practices. 1. Include your main keywords in the title and description to increase visibility. 2. Make sure your title is attention-grabbing and accurately represents your content. 3. Write a compelling video description that entices viewers to click and watch. 4. Include relevant keywords in your description, but make it sound natural and engaging. 5. Utilize metadata, such as tags and categories, to further optimize your video's discoverability. Engaging thumbnails and engrossing video content. Once you've optimized your titles and descriptions, it's time to create engaging thumbnails and compelling video content that captivate your audience. Remember these tips. 1. Design attention-grabbing thumbnails that accurately represent your video's topic. 2. Use high-quality images and contrasting colors to make your thumbnails pop. 3. Create compelling, informative, and entertaining video content that keeps viewers engaged. 4. Incorporate your targeted keywords naturally within your video script. 5. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel for increased engagement. Promoting your videos. Last but not least, it's important to promote your videos to reach a wider audience. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant online communities, and forums. 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche by featuring them in your videos or vice versa. 3. Utilize email marketing to reach your existing audience and promote new content releases. 4. Optimize your channel's metadata, such as channel keywords and tags. 5. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a sense of community. And there you have it, the key to YouTube success through effective keyword research and optimization. By implementing these strategies and staying consistent with high-quality content creation, you'll be well on your way to growing your channel and engaging your audience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.